Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to do an unboxing today on this Dewalt 18 volt lithium ion jigsaw that I've bought. Hope you enjoy. Right, I thought I'd treat myself because I'm 57 today and I thought I needed a new tool. Actually, that's a bit of a lie. I was 57 yesterday as well, and to be honest, I've been 57 for about 2 months, but I never let the truth get in the way of buying a good tool. Right, so it's a while since I've bought a new tool. I normally buy stuff off eBay or Facebook Marketplace or something like that. And the first thing that struck me these days, and you know, correct me if I'm wrong, these tools that you used to buy in B&Q and places like that, they used to come in, look, I'll show you, they used to come in boxes with everything that you needed them. This is the last brand new tool I bought, and I bought this off the internet. I think I paid about 120 quid for it. It's a multi-tool, but it came with the box, with the blades. I actually bought them myself, but it came with a lot of extra stuff with it, and I'm sure it was about 120 quid. And I'm sure, thinking back, whenever I've bought tools in the past, drills and stuff, they've always come in a carrying case with batteries and chargers and stuff like that. But this, that's it. That's what came with this. Instructions, a cheap, crappy cardboard box, and the jigsaw with no battery on it. It didn't even come with any blades. I had to buy them separate. But to be fair, despite that coming in a cheap crappy box and with no blades and no battery, it does feel like a right proper machine. It's some good weight in it. It feels quality made, as all Dewalt stuff does. Crappy cardboard box. Least said about that the better, but it'll do for storing it for now. Instruction manual that I've just had a look at. Jigsaw itself and the dust extraction fitting, which is easy to fit. With that shape there, just to fit inside there. Stick your vacuum cleaner on end of that, or your dust extraction, and that'll do the job. So I'll just show you a few features on it. I'm not going to go into numbers and voltages and stuff like that. It's a jigsaw, for God's sake. So, you know, I'll just go across some of the features that I'm going to find interesting. So you've got the bevel here. That's a release, so you can cut up to 45 degrees either way, like that. Put that back to 0. Close that off. You've got the, I can't remember what that's called, orbital control there. So what that does, it just allows you to cut quicker. If you're just doing a rough cut, if you put it on 3, the how large you're setting, it allows the blade to, like this kind of motion. And it allows the blade to do this kind of motion. Instead of just up and down, it pushes the blade forward a little bit every time it cuts. So that's another feature on there. It's got a trigger locking mechanism there. Safety catch, I would call that. And the blade change on this is so simple. It's got the quick release there. Pull it up. Take your blade. In it goes. Simple. All the good stuff then. The bad stuff is that's going to cost you 120 quid, and that's all you're going to get. You're not going to get a battery or a carrying case or anything like that. But if you're using the Dewalt platform anyway, you've probably got the batteries. If you need to buy the battery separate, that's going to cost you 80 quid on its own, and that's not even with a charger, that's just for the battery. But you know, so what. The chargers, I don't really know how much the chargers are. I don't know if you can buy a battery pack with the chargers, because I already had this, so I didn't need to buy it. Right, that's enough of that. What you need to know is how it cuts. You want to see it cutting, so I've got a few bits here that I'm going to cut up for the project. So we'll shove the battery on, take the safety catch off, and nice. Right, I've got a job coming up shortly that's going to require some pallet wood, but what I need is all the wood to be fairly straight and fairly clean for this job that I'm doing. So I'm just going to use this jigsaw now, rather than breaking up the pallet and pulling these pieces off. I'm just going to use this jigsaw now as a bit of a test, just to cut down there, because it's the inside of the pallet wood that I need on this next job.
It's a very manly place, for some a sacred place, for weekend worship, for weekend fun, where ideas flourish and things get done. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they've got workshops in hell. For you guys in your sheds, with ideas in your heads, to cut and sand, to turn your hand, create great things across the land. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they've got workshops in hell. Spend money on your tools, you're breaking all the rules. Spending flesh and bone, you're in the zone. Perfecting skills, you work alone. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they've got workshops in hell. When time's worth more than cash and gold, it's a crying shame we must grow old. So spend it wise and spend it well, and pray they've got workshops in hell.
All in all, I'm pretty impressed with that. That did a really good job. But I guess it's a combination of, you know, the Bosch saw blitz, the decent jigsaw that it is, the 18-volt battery that's on there, you know, good tool. Made short work of them, easy. It's only took me half an hour. I stripped 8 pallets down there, and I don't even think it were on a full charge, and it doesn't seem anywhere near losing its power. So I'm pretty chuffed with that. Right, if you want to know what I'm doing with all that wood that I've processed out of them pallets, there were 8 pallets there. Hopefully that's going to be next week's video. So if you hit the like and subscribe and notifications, you'll find out what I'll do with them next week. Right, thanks for watching. See you again. Cheers. Bye.